Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we will be discussing about how to add YMCA card to Apple Wallet. As you all know, you can't add any external card other than debit, credit or transit card, drivers or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet itself. But don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to App Store and search for Store Card. Install the app. After installing, open the app. You will be able to see the most frequently used cards by the users on the home page. Click on the Add button on the top right corner. Now search for YMCA. Click on it. Now you can scan your card via the front camera or enter your card details manually. After doing this, click on Save. Once you have saved it, your card will be automatically added to the Apple Wallet.